For the first question, the table shows the dividend of three different venture income for the past 15 years. And question A will describe the dividend of each venture income. So the first thing that we need to do is put the data into Johari and for the process to form the table in Excel. So we can get the table here. Then we can plug the graph by input the axis of the graph. So if we run the simulation, we can get this the graph of dividend of three different banks and accounts for the past 18 years, from 2001 until 2006. Next, for question B, the question told us to calculate the average and standard deviation of each dividend. So the average is also the mean of the graph of the table. So if we calculate the mean of the data, we can get this data, average, this average, and if we calculate the standard deviation of the data, we can get this standard deviation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. For question 1C, first I initialize I to equal to 6,000 based on the question given. For the first step is dividend CLMB, total CLMB, dividend RHD, total RHD, dividend BSM and total BSM. So this calculation will repeat 50 times based on the question given. So for the calculation, dividend CLMB equal to A, matrices 1, 1, that is 4.1, divide by 100 times by I is that we stated here 6,000. So total CLMB equal to dividend CLMB that we got from here plus I. Dividend RHD A, matrices 1, 2, that is 3.9, divide by 100 times by I. So total RHD equal to dividend RHD that we got from here plus I. And the last one is dividend BSM equal to A, matrices 1, 3, that is 3.7, divided by 100 times by I. So the total BSM for 2001 that we got is dividend BSM plus I. So this will looping and repeated for 15 times based on the question given. So this is the coding for B. So I will show you this is the total for the three bank. For the first row is CLMB bank for the 15 years, and the second column is for RHD for the 15 years, and same goes to column 3, that is for BSM for 15 years. So this is the new color that I set for the graph. Okay, this is the final answer and the graph for money in saving account minus Seliamaniam. So the red bar is represent for BSM bank, for the yellow one is for the RHD bank, and the blue color is for CLMB bank. Okay, so this is the graph for 2001 to 2015. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
For the second question, we need to plot the function VT using 10, 25, 50 and 100 points. Okay, for the function is VT equal to 5 exponential 2t sine 1000 pi t. Okay, now I'm showing you the coding to plot the function of VT using 10 points. Okay, for the first line is to define T10 by 10 points. Okay, this is the point. Okay, this is the interval which is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, before we write the coding, we need to know the interval. So for this question, we make the interval as 0 to pi. Okay, for the second line, we rewrite back the function, which is v equal to 5 exponential 2t sine 1000 pi t. So why I'm using v10 and t10 is to show you that we want to plot the function graph using 10 point. Okay, so next for the line 3 is to plot the graph. Okay, t10 is the x-axis, b10 is y-axis. So the title for this graph is graph of vt equal to 5e2t sine 1000 pi t using 10 points. Okay, this is how to write the name of the graph. This is how to write the x level, name of x level and y level. For our question, we name x level as t, we name the y level as vt. So line 7 and 8 is to create grid and box. Okay, now we run the program. Okay, this is the graph for function vt using 10 point. Okay, to plot the function using 25, 50 and 100 points, the method is just the same. We just change the point here to 25 to the point that we want to use, and we change the t. Also the blue one we need to change, and v10 we need to change to the point that we want to use. Also the name of the graph. For example, we want to make a graph for 25 points, we change it to 25. Okay, now I'm showing you the 25 point graph. Okay, this is for 25, this is for the 50, and this is the last one is 100 point. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.